Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name is Jitan.
Would you please tell me about Eid Day?
In a day, we are going to Idgah Mart to pay Eid prayer. Uh, Once upon a time, my family decided to celebrate Eid in my grandma's house. Before 2 days of Eid, we went there. In Eid day, I get up early in the morning and ready to go Eid ground. After saying Eid prayer, I return home. I eat delicious sweet. Then I go to catch fish by boat. After catching fish, we return home. My grandma cooked them. I eat fish curry and more item of fish. And that's all.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye. See you again.